Hey guys, what's up? It's Victoria. I'm back here with another video. I know it's been a while, but I'm back on it. I'm back again. Sorry, I've been sick. The flu has been horrible. I had a sinus infection, and then I just recently got back into the gym, so I'm like on a new routine, and I'm trying to fit this filming in. So what's gonna have to happen is I'm going to have to like film multiple videos on the weekends, because that's usually when I have some free time. So yes, I am working on being more consistent. I know I'm trash at it, but I am trying to. And so today I am going to have my subscription box unboxings. I have several subscription boxes here. And so I might as well, I thought, let's just all do them in one freaking video, because why not? And since I haven't done one in a while, here we are. So I just got done working out, but I did just throw on a full face of makeup. And yeah, so let's just go ahead and get started. Let's do this. So first we're going to do our BoxyCharm. That's upside down. BoxyCharm unboxing. I did already open this, so I do have some thoughts. Ooh, there's a 20% off coupon for CoverFX. It's FX Charm. You get 20% off. So, oh, there's my food. 1 second. I need to go check on that. Okay, I'm back. Sorry. Okay, I'm still recording. Yes. Okay. So like I said, we are doing BoxyCharm. There's a 20% off CoverFX. 20% off CoverFX with the code FXCharm, valid through March 15th. So if you like something from CoverFX, I might use this myself to check out some of their products. So the first thing that's in here is from CoverFX, and this is their Shimmer Veil, and I have no idea what this is. Ooh, what is this? This is like a, ooh, wow. Ooh, let's see that right there. I'm not for resale. And this is in the shade Amethyst. Let me get my BoxyCharm card. The theme is Galaxy Glow. So the Shimmer Veil is a multi-use shimmery cream color. It's crease proof and for eye looks. And yeah, you can wear it anywhere on your face. So I will definitely be trying this out. Yeah. Alright, so next up in here is this Pure Cosmetics, what is this called? Exfolips Plump Lip Exfoliator. Ooh, it is gritty. It is gritty. Ooh, I'm going to like this. I like lip exfoliators. I use the e.l.f. one on a regular basis because my lips do get dried. So this is how much? This is $17. That CoverFX Veil is $28. I'm not sure if that is a full, I mean, I guess this is a full size. It looks like it would be. I mean, yeah, so this is what did I say? $28. And this is $17. And I'm excited for this. Oh, I didn't realize that was in there. God, my eyelashes are doing something weird. I hope my makeup does not look weird. Okay. Let me just check. Oh, like my eyeliner is already like just going bye-bye. And I have mascara under my eyes. Yes. So lame. Alright, let's just keep the show going. So next up we have this Vintage by Jessica Libeskind Smoky Eye Pencil in Jet Black. Ooh, this is creamy. That's it right there. Let me just put this on right now because my eyeliner is just janky. Oh, not the best, but not the worst. It's okay. It's alright. It's alright. I never even heard of this brand before though, so that's good. And this is $21. I would not pay $21 for this. I would not. Next up is a set of brushes. Heck yes, Crown brush. Woo. Their brushes are so good, honestly, and the ones I've got, I think I've bought some before, but honestly, most of them I've gotten from BoxyCharm. So we got this brush, which I don't know what it is, but I'm excited for. What is this brush? What the heck? You don't have brushes on here? Your name's on here? What the heck? It's to contour. So contour, my contour is looking real contoured today. And then this brush, oh, this probably, I could probably use this for highlight. I mean, my highlight is kind of fleeky too. And this could be anything, shadow brush, I don't know, I don't care. I love me some brushes, so I'm excited for this. Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, BoxyCharm just, oof. And that is $29.99 for those 3 brushes. And they are again from Crown Brush. And the last thing in here, and I'm disappointed in this because I saw other people get a highlighter palette. And even though it's not a highlighting palette that I would normally use, I still wanted it. But I got this Ofra palette that opens like this. It's weird. I'm still recording. And then I got an Ofra blush in Winter Rose Glow. And I've never tried an Ofra blush, I don't think. I've tried their highlights, so I'll just go ahead and pop that in there. But yeah, their palette is $19 and the blush is $12. So yeah, we'll see about that, but I want the highlight palette, so I'm a little upset with BoxyCharm for that, but I'm sure next month they'll make up for it. But yeah, so that is what we got. We got the brushes from Crown, which I love. This eyeliner, which I'm not sure about. This lip exfoliator, which I will be adding to my rotation ASAP. This eye veil, which is a very beautiful color, and I am excited to try because I love glitter on my eyes. And then this Ofra palette with the blush. So pretty good from BoxyCharm, I believe. Not the best box, but not the worst. Alright, so next we have the Allure Beauty Box. I actually have 2 of these here from January and February. I don't know which is which, so please don't ask me. I don't know if it says in here. Talk to me after my double shot of dry shampoo. That's funny. Okay, so it comes with this little thing that has the information about the products and the prices. So I think this is February. This is definitely February's. This is February's. Alright, so the first thing in here is this Essence Moonlighter Cushion Calming Moisture Technology Radiant Skin. And it provides a lustrous shine equivalent to that of moonlight glistening on water. What? So it looks like this. It comes with a puff, and then the product is in here. And let's see. Okay, so it looks like that. Try not to blind you. Okay, so I just pressed my finger in there. I don't know. It is shimmery. It's right here. I don't know how well. It is shimmery. I'm sure, and it looks super gold, but I'm sure blended out it doesn't look like good. It does look like it'd be a good highlighter, honestly. I don't think I would ever use the puff with it because, I mean, I guess if you just get it on the tip of the puff and you just press down and then pop, it probably would look good. But I don't usually use cream highlights, but I'm excited to try this. Let's see what it says in this little pamphlet about this. So this is $30, and it is the CLE is the brand, Clee Cosmetics Moonlighter Cushion. So you can buy it on their website, and it is $30 for this. I've never even heard of that brand, so that's cool. Also, Allure, the beauty box is $15 a month, I believe. I think you get your first month for $10, I believe. Alright, so the next thing in here is from Juice Beauty, and it is one of their Phytopigments Liquid Lip, and without feeling tacky or drying. So the little baby one, which is cute. This is in the shade 18 Gwyneth. And Gwyneth Paltrow is their creative director of makeup. Okay, cool. Again, never tried anything from this brand. So there's the color there. So that's interesting. That it's the color I wear. So the full size of that retails for $24. Yeah, so okay. It goes on like a stain with the first wipe. Yeah, but you can layer it on. This one has, okay, so it does have a shine to it, it says, which, I mean, I'm into shiny lips right now. I am wearing a matte lip right now, but not a super matte lip, which, okay, so I don't know what's wrong with me today. Yeah, hold on. God, I keep feeling like I have something in my eye. I'm like, what the heck? I think it's the eyeliner that I put on prior to that other eyeliner. So, like, I don't know what the heck that is about. Alright, so the next thing from the Allure Beauty Box is this Kale and Spinach Green Tea Hyaluronic Acid Age Prevention Moisture Cream. And it's by the brand Youth to the People. Again, a brand that I have never heard of before. And, oh, so it's a little baby thing like this. I love moisturizers because I have dry skin. Doesn't smell like anything, and I think hyaluronic acid is my BFF when it comes to my skin, and I need this because it's winter. Actually, it's been windy and cold in California, so my skin has been drying. It has been drying. So the full size of this is $48, and you can buy it at their website at youthtothepeople.com. Yeah, so I'm excited for that. Like I said, I would always use a new moisturizer. Next thing in here, I have this. I love this. It's the Tarteist mascara. So I think I'm just gonna pass this along because I just bought a new full size one of this, so I don't want to keep the mini. And the last thing is the Skin Fix Natural Minty Mint Lip Repair Balm. I feel like they just know me so well. I love lip balms. I have to have 5 million of them. The one that I use is, I don't know where it's at. It's the Jack Black one. But I'm always down. Well, it smells very minty. I'm always down for a new lip balm. I'm so excited for that. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Alright, so a recap. We got the lip balm. Yes. This liquid lip, mascara, a moisturizer, and a highlighter. So, like I said, all brands. I haven't heard of 2 of the brands. The other 3 I have, so that's good. I'm gonna be trying some new brands. Alright, so let's go with the Allure Beauty Box from the month of January. I couldn't think for a second there. I'm like, what month was it? Where are you? February? Actually, it's gonna be March, so. Oh yeah, I did open this box, but I totally forgot what was in it. So the first thing, okay, don't get crazy, is this Makeup Forever Makeup for Artist Liquid Matte. And this is in the shade 105 because they only have numbers. I definitely will rock this color. Where is it at? Sorry, my lighting is not doing it justice. It's like a greasy, rosy, I don't even know. But I'm excited because I've not tried any of these at all. So I'm excited for that. Next up in here is something that I'm just going to pass along because I don't use stuff like this. This is a dry texturizing spray by by Frederic Fekkai. So yeah, I don't use texturizing spray, so I'm going to pass that on. This thing that's in here, I'm like, girl, what? How? This is the Sunday Riley CEO Rapid Flash Brightening Serum. Now, this thing is expensive. I don't know. Where's the little booklet for this? I don't know what I did with the booklet for this. But I know this is expensive. So I don't know how. Bandit, what are you doing? My dog is crazy. But this is expensive. So I'm like, girl, how? Why? I don't care. I'm putting this all over my face. I cannot wait to try that. Oh, yeah. All right. Next thing in here. Bandit! The next thing in here is this Rodial. I think that's how you say it. Smoky eye pen in brown. Ooh, brown. If I can open this. These things are always so tricky. I'm like in a weird mood today. I don't know if I'm gonna film another video today because I have like things to haul, but they're kind of all over the place. So if I can get my life together. Brown. Ooh, this is a pretty color. I don't normally use brown, but sometimes I do. So I'm excited for that. And the last thing that's in here is this In Transit Camera Close-Up Mask, Moisturizer, and Primer in One by This Works is the brand. And yeah, apply to clean skin and massage until absorbed. So again, I can never have too many moisturizers, honestly. I have the driest skin in the world, I feel like. So it's been rough times for me too recently. So yeah, like, yas. Alright, so I don't know where to put this stuff. The last thing, stay away from that. Last box I have is the Walmart Beauty Box. This is $5 and this is seasonal. And first thing up in here is, ooh, what? This Aquaphor Ointment Body Spray. Advanced Therapy Ointment Body. Immediately soothes and relieves stress. I've not even heard of this. But I need this in my life. Like, severe relieves dry, rough skin, all like that's me. I'm excited for that. Wow, I never even heard of that. That's awesome. The next thing in here is this Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Lotion, sheer hydration. I think that they know me so well too. Thank you, Walmart. The next thing is this Dove Rejuvenate Body Wash in pear and aloe vera scent. I think I've tried this before, and it's okay. Nothing spectacular. Next thing we have a Maybelline. I said that so confidently, and then I was like, is it Maybelline? A Maybelline matte lipstick, and this is in Beige Babe. I don't know if this is too light for me. Maybe. I don't think you can really see that. Can you? I do like these Maybelline mattes though. And then it also came with a lip liner, and I think this is in clear, shaping lip liner. So this is the color Sensational one, which is awesome. Thank you Walmart. And then what else is in here? Can enter to win a $100 gift card. Oh, and then ooh, a purifying brightening peeling gel mask. Yes. After removing makeup, apply an adequate. So yes, I don't know. So AE. I don't know this brand. I'm sure it's at Walmart. But again, face masks, clutch. Is there a coupon? No, there's not a coupon. I thought there was a coupon for the spray because I was like, oh man, I just might as well just go buy the freaking full size at this point because I feel like I'm just gonna really love this. Like, it's a spray on your back especially, like, whoosh. So yeah, so for this Walmart one, for $5, we got a body wash, this moisturizer, another moisturizing lotion, a lipstick, a lip liner, and a sheet mask, or no, a gel mask. And I feel like the box is super cute. This is what it looks like. I like it a lot. Alright guys, so those were my subscription boxes. I will have another one coming obviously very soon because it is going to be March, so we'll have another round of Allure, I'm sure, and BoxyCharm, and hopefully I'll get my Pinch Me boxes by that time because I also have boxes coming from them as well. So yes, if you have any questions about anything in this video, just leave them down below, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye.